back, y'all. Thought I'd show you guys some notches. Something that I don't normally do, but it's always good to practice new things, try out different skills. You never know when it's handy. So we'll start by doing 2 cuts. So what we're going to do is going to take the knife, and we're going to get rid of that, go in between the 2 saw marks. This is where having a knife where you can chop with is nice. Not necessary. I mean, you can carve this out, but sometimes it is nice. That carved out good. Got the other one carved out good. I got about 2.5, 3 feet paracord. You know, make sure you burn your ends just to keep them from coming out like this one. But it'll be all right for now. Just start out with equal length to them. So, remember how I just did this? Whatever you do, you want to get these as tight as you can get them. The tighter, the better. When you bring these around. The back side, I just tied a knot. Whatever knots you guys want to tie, you can tie. So, you can see here my knot didn't hold up the way I wanted it to. That's okay. We will just flap her around, have her go this way. Doesn't matter. So, hope you guys caught all that. Should look something similar to that. You can crisscross it here if you like, just for added stability.